Hi guys, so today we're going to be teaching you how to make fake money for your kids to play with. Not money for you to go spend on whatever. So,
oh, you're not supposed to be good at it.
okay.
So,
first, you're going to need these type of color pencils, which is these.
It's just the same. You can get any other color pencils.
Yeah, but the glitter ones are just the same, and metallic and all that. If you have a pencil box,
Metallic isn't the same. It's actually the real metallic.
Yeah, with Crayola super tips in it. Bring that. Bring some glue. Bring some erasable color pencils and some crayon color pencils. Only the rainbow.
I would recommend not to bring the erasable color pencils because they are super hard to draw with.
Yeah, but if you have like one green one, you can bring that one. That's pretty much what I'm talking about.
That's good.
And then we have this tote with line paper,
and I'm a good artist. This is one of my drawings.
Most of this is just line paper, and some of it is good drawing paper. So we're gonna be using this, and let's get on to the video. Yo!
Okay, so first I'm gonna use this paper.
I'm gonna grab a green. Which green looks like
This green,
does.
yeah. I'm gonna use this green.
Okay.
Okay, and we need scissors.
Oh yeah.
So
grab
we'll be
scissors.
right back.
Well, we'll be right back. Then I'm older than you.
Oh wait, there's more big scissors.
We just can't cut ourselves, guys.
The scissors? Wait, there's two big scissors. Did I click my screen?
No.
You can start coloring.
I have to get paper.
We'll just share scissors because there is no more scissors.
Wow, good way to get my hopes up. What is this? Is this good drawing paper? Probably only for marker. So I'm not going to use that.
Okay, so do we have any black? Can you get me a black, please?
There is a black. You can grab it.
Never mind.
Never mind, I'm fine.
So like you can create it however you want.
It can be hundreds of thousands. I would recommend asking your child what bills they want, or else you might regret it. And you'll be in danger.
That actually sounds scary to the parents probably.
But
Okay.
if you do, I give up. So I'm going to use these scissors. Watch.
And I need to put my tea somewhere right there. We will do a tea tutorial later.
When our grandma gets home.
Yeah.
Because right now, we're home alone.
Shoot. I bet you all the parents out there are like, you better get your parent out.
Probably, but like, honey, no. Now, if you really want the lines to be perfect,
We can go grab a ruler.
a ruler. Yes, grab two.
Yes.
We'll be back. I want the middle one
Why?
because I like it.
You know what this one does?
What?
It's your skin off.
Exactly why I don't want it. So I got a metal one.
Okay, I got one that has the sharp ends, the old-fashioned ruler, but we cannot break this one.
You can't break either of them.
Okay, I need a new paper. What is it?
So guys,
Oh, I actually did write good. Oh, Grandma would write that. Me being so happy.
drawing money isn't that difficult, especially for like children, because we are children and we are not struggling with it. So this is what it should look like, or close to that. If you do have like a circle picture of your daughter or son or children, you should put it in the middle of this. But since I don't, I'm just gonna draw a head using black. Now the head doesn't really have to be anybody, so I'm just putting my head like that, because my head can be a nobody.
Because I am a nobody.
Oh! This is gonna be a $10 bill.
So if you want to make your friend happy or something, you can make this for them. But tell them it's fake. And you can give it to your daughter. And tell them that you can give it to your daughter, though.
Now this isn't a 5-minute, 6-minute craft. This will take some time if you want it to be good. Now for us, we really don't care right now. We're just trying to get this video done and over with.
Actually, it's we just thought of it, so we like some. Cause did you fart? Oh
No.
wait, never mind. I don't say that anymore. Okay, there we go. So now I'm just gonna make the body. I need a dark color.
What did it say?
This says Kaylee posted something. I gotta pee now. I don't want to. Okay, so
Now you see our life. Ew, did you fart?
no, I didn't.
I didn't.
What's
Guys, there's not supposed to be any scary stuff in this video.
So your kids can watch it.
Yes, so they can learn also. And if something scary does happen, it was not
Us.
us.
At
Like
all.
none of the videos were us, but like this one is for sure not us. Just in case.
Some of the stuff was us because I kept bringing stuff on accident a little bit.
Mhm.
So,
You scoop over.
so here's mine. So
I'm getting to cutting.
I'm going to cut soon. And mine length literally has to be good. Okay, so mine is going to be a 5,000 bill.
5,000 bills. Is this where you wanna be? I just don't get it. I'm not saying that I ever did this or something, but comment below what would happen if you printed money.
You actually did that?
No,
Oh,
I never did that.
I would never do
It's just
that.
a question. I would never do it either. It's just a question. I just want to know. So guys, when you're finished with your finished product, you should have at least this much paper left, unless you're Andrew and colored theirs very small. And this is what it should look like. If you want to waste time and color the back, you waste time and color that back. But I'm just telling you right now, I am not going to waste my 5 minutes of my life coloring the back.
I am.
But here's the front, and then you can store these and start a pile.
And I ain't done yet, so you ain't stopping. So you can start making more. Okay, now I'm gonna use scissors.
Okay, we taught them how to do it. Showed finished. Showed finished. The next thing is to make more.
Okay, so start making more. I think mine is good. So Cass, how do you like mine right now?
Cute.
You know what we should do for the next one? We should actually start making girl hair.
Andrew, this next one. Okay. So boss just sent in a list of us to do. We have to make sure we did it all.
Move your foot, because I don't want to smell that. Okay.
Just making sure he knows. So next thing on our list, because we taught you guys, showed the finished products. Next thing on the list is make more.
Tuck away, Didn't you hear that?
Guys, we're just gonna,
Pretend nothing happened.
yeah, we might get a little spooked every now and then because
We hear stuff all the time. We're like
this video is kid friendly. Now, if your kid's been watching our last videos, you should check with them and make sure they'll sleep tonight. But our videos are supposed to be family friendly, but it always happens wrong. Now, you can make the dollar bills whatever color you want. It can be like Monopoly money, pink, blue, green.
We were supposed to do another video, a different video than this. So she did something on, we were going to make a different video than this, but we decided to do this. Before that, she did something, and it made me laugh so hard that I almost pooped myself. So yeah.
Yeah, but we're not doing that video anymore because I'm not gonna get us like killed on YouTube. Be like, you cannot post that. That is inappropriate.
How? Like making me laugh.
Well, you better pick that up.
I'm lucky that that scissors did not fall on my foot.
Dude.
Okay,
This one's gonna be
your
50.
here's your kid-friendly dollar bill.
They're all kid friendly.
Yeah, I know.
Why'd you say that?
Okay, so I just made two separately because I just colored the back.
So guys, after I make this last one, we're gonna do more. So
we're gonna teach you how to make an easy, like it's gonna be super easy, and you might have to erase or something, but it's really easy. We're gonna teach you how to make a person, just their shoulder parts.
yeah, and nothing creepy should happen when we're making people.
Where'd she go?
Where'd who go?
It's just like her.
So
So yeah.
I'm gonna cut, and then we're gonna show you guys.
What the heck? Why is there brown mixed with it? Cass, did you put brown on your eyebrow? What?
I didn't.
Then, huh?
What happened? Wait, why is
Then
there?
why is that same color right there?
What color?
Cassidy.
I'm using pink.
Then why was that color out?
This color, it's pink. This color is pink.
Oh. Wait. But that
Andrew!
isn't pink.
Why is there red, brownish, ugliest colors? Guys, I just made these and they have different color eyes.
Wait, are they colors? I
think
thought
they're
they were
color.
eyebrows.
They're not eyebrows because mine are on the eyes.
Wait, mine's pink.
What happened, guys?
Tell us in the comments below. But
We didn't do it.
our boss probably did magic.
Yeah.
Like, if you guys want to learn magic from us,
That's the next video. So
we can go outside and do it for you guys, I guess, because we control wind. Remember? God of wind.
we can't go outside.
Yes, we can. Oh
No, I
shoot!
can't.
No, we can't. I got Julius here. So when our parents get here, we'll do our magic. For the meantime, we'll just start coloring for you guys.
No, we'll start drawing for you guys.
Yeah, coloring.
So we're gonna draw and show you guys the finished product. So it's going to be very quiet, because when we draw, we concentrate. I'm using blue. Pink. He's using blue. Let's get on to the drawing. Yo!
I'm done.
No, you actually have to make a new one.
No,
Yes.
I can't concentrate. Okay, I will make a new one.
Ew.
Here's my. I can't use those. I have to use a real pencil, girl. You have to have that eraser and everything. So our videos are just teaching you guys for kids and all that. It ain't really that scary, but yeah. So first is my jelly screen. Shoot, I messed up. You should make a mask with your
So guys, I kind of gave up at the bottom from the scribble down, but that's what I do. And now I'm gonna clean up our area, and we're just gonna leave the stuff here, you know. And we're gonna put it all neatly. And
So I make masks. Look at that. Here, not hide. Okay?
we're gonna hide.
I'm going to bring my phone and my charger. So if I find a person that wants me in the house, you better let me charge my phone or else you better die. So sorry if the kids heard me. Okay, so. Yo, are the lights off? So I think they think we're in the home.
Not all the lights.
Oh, lights off. Oh yeah, the hallway.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay.
They won't see it from that far. So we're just gonna leave all our drawing stuff here just in case we didn't do another video. But that's pretty much the end.
No, it isn't.
Hope you guys enjoyed. We're making another video.